You appeared and brought a sudden shining light. Your quiet flame has unwrapped the veil of night. I feel my damned world transformed beneath your sight. I bless the glow your hands softly now express. Your gentle touch can ease the deepest caress. I stand in deep awe of your purest finesse. My hard heart has truly found a new firm crown. My soul has been rising high, no fear is shown. All paths now lead to her. My dark heart has grown. Without her presence, nothing truly feels right. Her love ignites the deep force that fuels my might. I cannot live a day devoid of her light. Without her presence, nothing truly feels free. Her love ignites the deep force that fuels my glee. I cannot live a day devoid of her plea. Our souls now align, as though they were divine. Your path and mine now converge by clear design. This bond feels written deep within our own spine. Your calm presence gives my thoughts a clearer sense against old fears. My will stands in full defense. Each breath I take dissolves the weight of suspense. A waking will awaken slow inner spark. From silent ground I feel my senses embark. Each steady step unseals a lasting true mark. I stand with you. My soul has now reached its core. The vast world around us turns with endless lore. In you, I find at last the home I longed for.